Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some fun little paper banners, or my daughter and I like to call them garlands, that you can hang up on your wall. They're just made out of paper, so we're going to be using construction paper, either cut into triangles or circles, or you can cut it into other shapes, but construction paper. We're going to be using markers, tape or a glue stick, scissors, and you might use a hole puncher. So those are the supplies that we're going to be using, and you're going to be thinking about a theme that you want to do. So I have sports, I have summer, I'm excited for summer, I have emojis, I also have one that is food theme. So let's get started. I already have some circles and triangles cut out from my construction paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use markers and other pieces of paper to turn these into things. And then I'm going to be connecting them with string so that I can hang them up on the wall or over my window. So I'm going to show you some different ways that you can turn these into things. I'm going to start off by turning one of these yellow circles into an emoji. So since my paper is pretty light, I am going to use markers. So for this circle, I'm just going to use markers. So I'm going to make a heart eye emoji. I'm also going to turn these two circles, because there's lots of things I can turn circles into. It's hard to see this when it's white. Into a basketball and a baseball. Another easy thing I can make out of a circle is a donut. So I've got a little brown circle. For this one, I'm actually going to cut construction paper. Okay, so I glued my icing on my donut, and I made a few more emoji faces. I made a sucker ball. I'm going to talk about another reason why I might have to make something out of paper, and that is for this emoji I want it to have white eyes, but my paper is yellow. So I'm going to cut out circles. That way I can make the eyes for this emoji. And I'm going to finish my circles in just a minute. I'm going to move on to the triangles, and I can turn these triangles into anything just like I did for the circles. I think I'm going to turn this one into a piece of pizza. So I'm just going to continue creating things. I'm making some strawberries and watermelons, more emojis, and I'm also going to be using paper to cut out letters to spell the word summer. Okay, so I have completed 4 different garlands, and I'm going to show you some different ways that you can connect your little shapes together. We're going to use string no matter what method you use. So one way to connect them is by using a hole puncher. So I'm going to punch 2 holes in each one of these, and what I'm gonna do is stick my string through the hole and then bring it back out. So hole punching and stringing it through is one way, and another way is using tape. Gonna just tear off enough tape for the shapes that I made. I have like a food theme, an emoji theme one, and a sports theme one. So for the tape, what you'll do is lay your string out and your shapes. And you don't want to sit them like where the string's near the bottom or the middle. The string needs to be kind of near the top, so that way it pulls down when it's hanging up. So I've got my different sports, and all I'm gonna do is just tape it together. Okay, so I've connected all of my banners or garlands with tape or hole punches, and so I hope that you enjoy using construction paper in triangles and circles for the most part to make your own little banner